Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a text in Onshape CAD. So first of all, you'll need to have a part where you can add a text, and I will show you how you can do that. So I will select the extrude and select the sketch and select the face of extrude. And to add the text, I will select on the text tool and basically drag it like this. And right here, I will be able to add a text. So let's say guide to everything, and you can make that bold right here, or you can select a different font from, let's say I will do Poppins font. And now what you can do is basically minimize the text. So how you can do that is basically by selecting on. So for the resizing, I will use dimension tools, and I will make that, let's say, to 2.3. Okay, so that's maybe a little too little, but you can adjust that. So for the tutorial, I will leave it as it is. And now what we'll need to do is extrude or remove the extrude if you want the text to be inside. So I will go with 0.1 and I will click OK. And now, as you can see, you'll have pretty cool text. Or you can just, if you want to remove, you can be and make the removed. So what we'll need to do is select the right direction and you'll remove the text, as you can see. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.